because you have a lot of congresses together, a lot of specialties, so it's an easy way to get up to date in all the matters in in dentistry, really. So please take it. Well, I'm going to be a speaker on the Digital Congress. I'm going to talk how to simplify protocols and really to make it easier for all the clinicians in everyday practice in implant dentistry. I'm Miguel Oliviera, I'm from Lisbon, at Portugal, and I'm loving being here in Budapest. It's the second time here, but it's a great city and I love it. No, my first time. It's my first time here, and it's a great show, a lot of people, and I'm excited to be here and to be talking with my colleagues from other countries, and I hope to be of interest to them what I have to show them. Well, because you have a lot of congresses together, a lot of specialties, so it's an easy way to get up to date in all the matters in in dentistry, really. So either you are an endodontic or you have an implant focused practice, you can gather all the information here and be up to date. Yeah.